Welcome to Smart Science. Today, we're exploring the atomic structure of oxygen, the element that keeps us breathing and powers life on Earth. Stick around to see its stunning atomic dance in action. Let's break it down step by step. Every atom is like a tiny solar system, and oxygen is no exception. At its core is the nucleus, here glowing bright. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8, which means it has 8 protons. Protons are positively charged particles, and in oxygen, 16, the most common form, it also has 8 neutrons, which are neutral. Together, they make up the nucleus you see right here. But the real action happens around it. Orbiting the nucleus are oxygen's 8 electrons, negatively charged particles that balance those protons. They're arranged in shells, or energy levels. Check out these green dots zipping around the inner orbit. That's the one shell, holding 2 electrons. It's super close to the nucleus and moves fast because it's tightly bound. Now look at the blue dots on this wider orbit. That's the second shell, with 6 electrons. It's split between the 2s and 2p orbitals, but for simplicity, we're showing them circling together. These outer electrons are key. They're what make oxygen reactive, like when it bonds with hydrogen to form water. Let's label this beauty. At the center, oxygen atom, 8 protons, 8 neutrons. Below, you see inner shell, 2 electrons, 1s, and outer shell, 6 electrons, 2s/2p. Those faint orbit lines? They show the paths these electrons take. Green for the inner shell, blue for the outer. It's not a perfect quantum model. Electrons are more like clouds, but this classic view helps us picture what's going on. That's the atomic structure of oxygen. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Science, and ring the bell for more awesome science breakdowns. What atoms should we explore next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. See you in the next video.